in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make WhatsApp sticker for your product, okay, using your logo and turn it to a sticker so that you can use it to post on your product whenever you want to post on WhatsApp. So the first thing you need to do, you need to create your logo. If you already have your logo as PNG, then you have to skip this first part, but if you don't, I just want to show you how you can have it, your logo, in PNG format. So first thing, open Pixellab, and that is what we have here. If you don't have it, you can go on Google Play Store, you can also get it. You also need the WhatsApp sticker for the sticker maker for WhatsApp, and with this one, with this icon, also search for it on Google Play Store to get it, and of course your WhatsApp. Okay, so welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, let's open Pixellab, and here we are. So you're going to create a new document by coming here, just click anyone like this. You're going to lose a document, I don't mind. So let's remove this one, we're going to delete it. Just click OK, then bring in your logo. Okay, let's say your logo is already somewhere, just import it, but I want to import mine as a sticker. Okay, I'm not using my own logo here. Okay, let's assume that is your logo. You can click OK, and so we are going to remove the background of this color. So we're going to come here and say transparent. Okay, now we have it like that. So you're going to save it, come here and just click save image. So we're going to save it as PNG. Okay, come here and you can save it as PNG, select here and just click ultra, then save to gallery. Okay, now that we are done, we're going to go back, then we're going to come to the WhatsApp sticker make for WhatsApp, click on it. Now you're going to come here. Okay, let me go back. Okay, this is how it's going to open on your phone. Then click the plus icon here and click add image and just select your sticker. Where's my sticker? Okay, look at the one I created. Just give it a while, then it's going to import like this. Just click OK. This is already transparent. Click continue, click continue, and now we have it like this. So you just need to click save. Now give it the name that you want. Let's name has to be mine. Okay, just you can save it whatever name you like, and it's going to ask you, would you like to add mine to WhatsApp business, because that's the only WhatsApp app that I have installed on my machine. So I'm going to click OK, add, and it's done. So now you're going to go to your WhatsApp and you're going to post the status. Click on the plus icon and you're going to just bring in your image as if you want to post something. Now you're going to come here and just click on, you're going to find it here. Okay, it's a new group that have been created for you. So now we have it here, and we are just going to click on our logo here, and now we can add it. So you can use your two finger to resize it and just place it somewhere that is visible enough. This can actually be a product, your name, just place it anywhere around. I can't really pick any better place right now, so let's just pick anywhere and just let it go like that, and we're going to click send, and it's going to post on our status. Okay, my clients often reach out to me most times to do these things for them. Maybe after making a logo, they just want something as a sticker. If you're a graphic designer, this can really be helpful. So that brings us to the end of the video. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. And today is day 19 of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.